guys, welcome back. So it's been a hot minute since I've done a video, but I'm doing this video because this is my first custom of 2020. It's so exciting, and it's for my dear friend Alex, so that makes me even more excited. I can't wait to get this baby going. So let's open the box because I want her to see. So I did get some extra supplies. I got some cable ties because I always use those. Got some rooting needles to finish up a baby I'm currently working on. And oh, I guess I got another calendar. So actually I might send this to you if you want it, Alex, because I already have one. Okay, so here's the body. I did get the biracial body, or the ethnic body, whatever you want to call it, because she wants to recreate, dun, 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 ta-da, the baby I just made. It is baby JC. So I actually had this baby up for adoption, and it was adopted, and she wanted to have another one that looked like it, so I will be sort of recreating it, but of course not all babies are the same, so he will be a little different. But yeah, there he is. I'm so excited to get working on him, and yeah, I'll update you guys as I go, but for now, there he is. I'm so excited. Okay, and I guess I can show you guys his little certificate, so that will go home with him as well. But yeah, that's it for this video. Sorry it was so short, but it's pretty simple, just a kit unboxing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.